Hello friends, I dietitian Poonam Jaglan. I'm back again with a new topic and commonly asked topic I should say is uric acid. These days most of my clients are asking that one of their family friend, one of their family member or they themselves have uric acid problem. And this problem is getting bigger and bigger. Why? This is happening because of the lack of exercises, lack of physical movement. Why? These days we are sitting at home because of COVID. We cannot go out. And people, I should say, they are sitting at home from almost past 18 months. They cannot go out for exercise, they cannot go gym. So what will ultimately happen? The toxins which are produced in your body, they do not get eliminated. So the main thing which come in everyone's mind is, what is uric acid? Uric acid is a byproduct. Whatever we eat, our body produce acids. This uric acid is out of them. From where this uric acid come? Uric acid come from purines. And from where purines come? Purines come from whole pulses, a little bit, but most of them come from seafood, meats, red meat, lobsters, fishes, such kind of foods. But that does not mean that the vegetarian people don't get uric acid problem. No, vegetarian people also get uric acid problem, and there are lots of reasons behind it. Now I will go discuss about all of these reasons. Why these purines cause problem? Because when cell breakdown occur in our body, lots of toxins get produced, and one of them is purine, which cause uric acid problem. What are the other factors behind it? Other factors are lack of sleepiness, drinking alcohol, lack of sleep, excessive stress. How can we reduce all of these factors? The main thing which you can do is avoid having excess of red meats, chicken, and excess of seafood. Start having multicolor kind of plate, multicolor kind of fruits and vegetables. What will ultimately happen? You will get all kind of essential minerals, vitamins, whichever your body requires. What these minerals and vitamins will help? They will help to eliminate the toxins out of your body. You will get optimum amount of fiber. Your body will stay hydrated because lots of fruits and veggies are full of vitamins, minerals and water content. Next thing is drink optimum amount of water. At least if you cannot drink good amount, at least try to have optimum amount of water, so that the excess toxins which are produced in your body, so that they can get eliminated. Okay, one question which everyone asks: ma'am, we should stop eating tomatoes, we should stop eating the fruits and veggies, those who are with seeds, or we should stop eating pulses? No, not at all. If you will stop eating each and everything, this is not gonna work. Have everything in optimum amount. Now, how to eat the pulses? Soak the pulses for at least 2 to 3 hours before cooking. Then just remove that water. Then again soak them. Remove the water. Then again boil them in good amount of water, so that extra toxins, extra colorants which are, or extra like polishing kind of things which the distributors add on with pulses and other veggies to make them attractive, so that these colors, these toxic compounds get removed. And if you are having good amount of water, most of the toxins get eliminated from your body. Start having a little bit of exercise at least. If you cannot go gym, you cannot go out, just go to your stairs, take 2 or 3 rounds of your stairs. It is even more than enough. If you are not doing just nothing, or just go for 10 to 20 minutes walk. Start any kind of yoga, any kind of your exercise, whichever you like. If you don't like anything, just start skipping. This is a very good kind of exercise. Improve your lifestyle. Try to get from your bed before sunrise and go to your bed on time. Have at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Drink good amount of water. Try to avoid stress. These things will help you to stay or to get rid of these toxins, this kind of acids. If you have any queries, just write them in comment section. I will answer all of them. And if you want to consult, you can WhatsApp me or drop a message at 8950833919. I will help you out. Thank you so much. Have a good day.